Yep.
Wow.
Little bumblebee.
What'd you get?
Ethan, look at Ethan.
Wait, Devin.
D-E-V-I-N.
Right.
I can't. Have you seen here? See? Look.
What is that thing,
I
Mommy?
don't know what's inside.
Pool. Squirter.
Squirter for the pool?
Oh. Whoa.
You did get a ducky
Wow.
toy. Do you like it? Yeah?
Is it a nice
Daddy
ducky?
brought you the two things you asked for, didn't he?
Hey Ethan, this is what I was wishing for. The last one that Santa gave me.
All new crayons and markers like you asked for.
Yes, but where's another one? After that.
He likes that.
Maybe when you get older. You know which one I got? That one. There's used to be one more I asked for.
What?
Pet shops.
Oh, well, honey, look at what all's in there. Look at what all's in there.
That's what Heidi has.
Does she have that one? That's a neat one, huh? Why don't you see if there maybe is a present for Ethan to open under there?
Yeah, there is. Ethan.
No, that says to Devin from Ethan.
Oh. Oh, just like Ethan. That wasn't here before.
Nobody, there's still more stuff in there. Just look at this one for a minute because it's got a stick.
Ducky?
Yeah.
What is it?
Hold up.
What's that?
Ducky.
That's from Ethan?
From Ethan?
Yeah.
What do you say to Ethan?
Thank you. Ethan, thank you, buddy.
It's a duck with hair.
Let me see.
What else is in there? What else is in there?
It's funny.
You got candy
You
too.
can use that in the tub.
But it has a little... No, we can't.
Let me see.
Why?
It looks like a tub toy to me.
Because it has a frilly thing on it.
Furry.
You don't want to get that.
Uh-oh.
What?
Look at that.
What?
One more thing in here, buddy.
Oh, that's okay. Open it. Who's it from?
Is it Daddy?
Yeah, it's from Daddy.
Another one. Another one. Did you go to... There's two duckies
It's from
now.
Daddy.
Oh. Now you never need another duck.
Ethan! 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 This is for you!
Alright.
Oh, Ethan! What does this do? another present for you.
He's still fascinated by his stocking.
Yeah.
See what's in here?
You should bring this grandma. Can I help you? Yeah, that's the one I was looking at.
Alright, Devin.
It's a little ball. It's a little ball.
What is it?
It's a book.
Can I show Daddy?
Hold it up. Oh, we wish you a Merry Christmas. That's cute.
You want to open it?
Yeah, open it up. Wow. It makes noise.
It's everything in here.
I didn't see that page. I didn't see that page.
That's the last page.
Oh.
It's just big because it's got the music thing in there. Oh!
Ethan!
Oh, jeez!
You took it out! Oh!
Can he see his book now?
Ethan, look at that.
Look.
Ethan. What else do I get? What else do I get?
Look at it.
What else do I get?
Lights up.
Who's that for?
Me.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ethan. I never had one of these. Zuzu pet. Zuzu pet.
Zuzu hamster, I think it is.
Yes.
Let me see. Zuzu.
Oh, look at it on the back.
Yeah.
Did you take a picture of it?
Mhm.
I want to open the big one. Oh, it's too far away. I can't get the big one.
Well, you're just gonna have to open some small ones first, then, to make.
No, I can get it. That might be with someone else. M-O-M-M-Y. Oh, no.
Careful.
Don't break it.
I know. I'm just making my way.
Just put it down then.
Here. Right here.
I need the other camera before she opens that. Wait a minute, Devin. Oh, what's that? Look at those pages.
Where's more for me? Is there more for me?
Keep looking.
Who is that for? Who is that for? Who is this for?
For mommy.
Oh, mommy!
For me. Can I have it?
Oh, heavy though. Super heavy. This is
Super heavy,
heaviest of all.
Want to help me, Ethan?
Ethan.
Thank you.
Is that
Hmm?
for me?
Wow.
That's for you and Ethan.
Oh, Ethan!
From Santa. Santa brought that.
Oh! Yoga!
Wow. Is that a
Yeah.
radio?
Look!
Oh, I didn't see that. Let me see.
It's, I see.
Oh, what does it say on the front?
Full.
Foofles on it.
Love,
That's cool.
love.
Lovely, love my family.
You just like the paper.
Look at Ethan! You okay with that? It's okay if you look at it.
You're gonna get him in the Yo Gabba Gabba, huh?
Who's that? Who's that?
We're gonna have to go through this all over again with him.
Ethan.
5 more years. of Yo
Surrogate!
Gabba Gabba. What is that? Hey, that's for who? Ethan and Devin, right? So why don't you open it together?
Ethan, rip, rip, rip.
Okay, you can rip, but you have to just show them what's in there.
So excited!
Yes.
What are they?
Show Daddy. It's called
Dolphins?
On the Night You Were Born. And that one's called Wherever You Are, My Love Will Find You. These pages aren't really good for Ethan to... He might rip them. They're nice books.
Yours?
For me?
Where's my piggy? Oh, here it is.
Fire truck, though. He just found his fire truck.
Okay. Here, I'll open it.
No. Leave it. He'll open it in a minute.
Ethan?
See if there's something for someone else on.
Why don't you give Mommy this one that you were meant to give her before?
Ethan, watch out.
Thank you.
I was going over his head. That's my game.
Who's this from? This is from
Yep.
all of you. I want to see him open that.
Yep. Yep. Oh! Did I give him this?
Yep.
Oh, that's cute.
Ethan, this is what I give you.
That's for the bathtub.
He likes it.
Oh, yay! Thank you, Devin and Ethan and Daddy.
Yeah.
Now we can organize our spices. Yay!
And all your pill bottles.
pills.
Oh, that's for
Little
me.
store.
That's for me. That's for me. Oh, that's a gift. That's a gift.
Sweet.
I think. Seven? Again?
You are so spoiled.
Ethan. Ethan. Oh, the Snoopy! Calendar! Nice! Yes! Yes! That one again. What the?
I think it's your last one though. Okay? That one's for Daddy that's there.
What is it? What is it? What is this? Clock?
The new clock for your room.
Yeah!
So Ethan can have the old one.
Is it Hello Kitty?
Yeah. Show Daddy.
Ah.
Here, turn it around.
Okay. The last one. It's a. Ow! Oh.
That's for Daddy, and be careful with that one, okay?
This is kind of heavy, so you can have it.
Alright, I'll have to open the present.